Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read your interactive broker's activity statement. First, log into your account and navigate to the Reports section to find your statement. Once opened, you'll see a comprehensive overview of your account's activity. We'll break down each major section, helping you quickly locate crucial information such as your cash balances, trade confirmations, and current holdings. This guide will simplify the process, making your financial review straightforward and efficient. Let's dive into the key sections. The net asset value provides a snapshot of your total account equity, including cash and investments. Next, the cash report is vital for tracking all money movements, like deposits, withdrawals, and any interest earned or paid. Finally, the positions section lists every asset you hold, showing quantities, average cost, and current market value. Understanding these areas is fundamental to grasping your financial standing. Now, let's decode your transactions. The Trades section meticulously records every buy and sell order, including the execution price and quantity. Corporate actions will show you important events like dividends received, stock splits, or mergers affecting your holdings. Don't forget to review the Activity section for all fees, commissions, and other charges that impact your account. This ensures you have a complete picture of every financial movement. Finally, your activity statement is crucial for tax reporting, providing details for forms like Form 1099. Regularly reviewing this document helps ensure accuracy and aids in your financial planning. It's a powerful tool for understanding your investment performance over time. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.